The hidden life of an antlion. Beneath the quiet forest floor, a new generation is about to begin. An adult antlion briefly lands, depositing tiny eggs into the loose sand. Within seconds, the parent disappears into the air, leaving the future buried beneath the soil. Days later, something begins to stir beneath the sand. A tiny predator emerges, newly hatched and already equipped for survival. From this creature's perspective, each grain of sand is the size of a boulder. The young hunter begins searching for the perfect place to build its trap. It chooses soft, loose sand beneath the protection of a leaf. Now the engineer goes to work. Using powerful head flicks, sand is launched outward. Slowly, a funnel-shaped pit begins to form. Then the predator disappears beneath the surface, leaving only its jaws waiting. Above the trap, an unsuspecting ant walks across the sand. But the ground beneath its feet begins to collapse. The ant struggles to climb out of the loose slope. Suddenly, sand rains down from above. The pit becomes a sliding avalanche. And in an instant, the trap is sprung. The hunter drags its prey beneath the sand, unseen once again. Moments later, the trap is rebuilt. Wind blows fresh grains into the pit, forcing repairs. Another insect approaches the deadly funnel. But this time, the victim escapes. For the antlion, patience is survival. This sandy patch is not home to just one hunter. Across the ground, dozens of pits wait silently. Each one hides a predator beneath the sand. Weeks pass, and the hunter grows larger. Its traps become deeper and more dangerous. Now, even larger insects cannot escape the slide. But life beneath the sand is never safe. Heavy rain floods the trap. The predator abandons its pit, searching for higher ground. Above the surface, a bird hunts for hidden insects. Months of hunting have prepared the antlion for its next transformation. It burrows deeper underground and begins spinning a protective cocoon made of silk and sand. Inside the cocoon, the body begins to change. Legs lengthen, wings begin to form. The pit-building predator is becoming something entirely different. Weeks later, the adult breaks through the surface. It climbs onto a nearby twig. Slowly, delicate wings unfold in the sunlight. The former trap hunter takes flight for the first time. Now it glides above the same sandy world it once ruled beneath. As night approaches, it begins searching for a mate. Another adult appears in the fading light. Soon, the female returns to the sand. Tiny eggs disappear between grains of soil. And deep beneath the surface, the next generation of hunters is already beginning.